I'm working on a project where I need to round over the edge of a very small piece of wood. And instead of bringing the router to such a small piece, I threw together a miniature makeshift router table that you can attach to your bench. I made mine out of a scrap piece of melamine, but you can use MDF or plywood or whatever you have on hand. I'm not the first one to do this. I've seen a couple of other people do it. Fine Woodworking has a video that I saw a couple of years ago, and more recently a guy named Warren in Australia. I'll put a link to his video below just to give him some credit. But I made a miniature version of this, and I didn't know if it would work out. I needed to do it really quickly, and it did work out. So I figured I would throw mine into the mix just to show another possibility. So check it out.
You're the first winner. She fell down. I can't sit on the ground. I'll go stand by the truck. You'll have to sing to me over here.
Hey, let's play this. Play with me.